Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Docs to N8N. This integration is incredibly useful if you want to automate document creation, updates, or any workflow involving Google Docs without having to manually handle everything yourself. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your browser and navigate to N8N.io. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to enter your credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your N8N dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your workflows and automations. From here, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to start building your automation. Once you click that button, you'll be taken to the N8N Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that N8N presents you with two different ways to create a workflow. The first option is to build it manually by selecting Add First Step, which gives you complete control over each element. The second option is to use the Build with AI feature, which can help guide you through the process if you prefer a more automated setup. For our purposes today, we'll go with the manual route to ensure everything is set up exactly as you need it. To connect Google Docs to your N8N workflow, start by clicking on Add First Step from your editor screen. When you do this, a panel will slide in from the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in Google Docs. As you type, N8N will display relevant results. From those results, click on Google Docs to add it to your workflow. Once selected, you'll be presented with a list of actions you can perform. For this tutorial, click on Create a Document. This action will allow you to automate the creation of new Google Docs directly from your N8N workflow. After adding the action, a parameters window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll configure the connection between N8N and your Google account. Start by filling out the fields provided. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new credential. Click on the credential to connect with drop-down menu. This will open a new window labeled Google Account. Within this window, you'll see an option that says Sign in with Google. Click on that option and you'll be prompted to log in using the Google account that's linked to the Google Docs you want to connect. Follow the login prompts carefully, and once you've successfully logged in, click on Save to store your credentials securely within N8N. Now that your Google account is connected, it's time to configure the specific actions you want N8N to perform. Click on the Resource drop-down menu and choose the Documents option. This tells N8N that you'll be working specifically with Google Docs files. Next, under the Operations field, click on the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several options including Create, Get, Update, or Custom API Call. Select the operation that fits your workflow needs. For example, if you want to automatically generate new documents, you'd select Create. If you need to retrieve or modify existing documents, you'd choose Get or Update accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Docs to N8N. Set up your first automated action. This integration opens up countless possibilities for automating your document workflows, saving you time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.